Good morning. Very good morning, children. Had your breakfast? Yes? Yes. Then we will start, children. Why wasting time? Just tell me what is the date today? Today is 24th August 2021. Today is Tuesday. Yes. You have English subject daily, right? Yes. Then if I have come means then it is English subject only. Yes, children? Yes. Then previous class, what we learned, children? Yes, tell me. First you take out your workbook. Okay, workbook. Take out English workbook part 1. Yes. Then till where we completed? Till page number 4 we completed. Yes, page number 4. What all we learned? Naming words, common naming, then common nouns, special naming, proper nouns. Yes, children, this and all we learned. Yes, what is naming words? Naming words are the names given to a person, place, animal or a thing. Yes, then they are called as nouns also. Yes, naming words are all called as nouns also. Then common namings. Common namings, words that you can learn about all called common noun. Common nouns are the common names which is given to a person, place, animal or a thing. In general, okay, they do not begin with capital letters. Yes, always you should remember that common nouns will not begin with capital letters. They will begin with small letter only. Okay. Special names are which is given to a special person or a place or animal or a thing. Right? Yes. Then particular name we are giving. Right? That is called special names. That is also called as proper noun. Special names also we can say, and we can say it as proper noun also. Okay. Example: Sumita, Mumbai, Rocky, Funtime Park, March, Tuesday, months also we can say. That also comes under the proper noun. Yes, children? Yes. Now you are clear with common noun and proper noun, right? Yes. Then take out page number 5. Open page number 5. Here what we have? Male and female nouns. Now today we will learn what we will learn, children? Male and female nouns. What we will be learning? Male and female nouns. Yes. Yes. This only we are going to learn now. Yes, children? Yes. So you have something to read, right, children? You have some sentence. So let us read that. Yes, page number 5. Yes, let us read that. Yes. See here, Rohit is the son of Mr. Sharma. Okay. See, this is Rohit and this is Sharma. Okay. Rohit is the son of what? Son of Sharma. Okay. Then Miss Shweta is our headmistress. Yes, in the picture itself you can see she is a female, right? These both are males, that is boys. Yes, a boy and men. Okay, she is a woman, lady. Yes, so her name is Miss Shweta. He is our headmistress. She is the headmistress. Okay, headmistress means like opposite to the headmaster, headmistress. Okay. Who is the head of the what? Head of the school. Okay. Then next. Fiona was the princess of Neverland. Neverland princess is, what is her name? Fiona. Okay. Fiona. She is a lady. Yes. Girl. Female. Right. Fiona was the princess. Princess for a woman. We are called as princess, that is queen. Okay, we can say queen, princess, all are equal, same only. Okay, princess is a here female. Okay, of Neverland. Neverland is a place. Okay, are you understanding, children? Yes. Let us read once again. Rohit is the son of Mr. Sharma. Miss Shweta is our headmistress. Fiona was the princess of Neverland. Yes. Yes. Then next we have naming words can also be sorted into male and female nouns. Yes, naming words also we can convert it into male noun also and female noun also. Okay, male means boy. I already explained this, right? Male means boy, female means girl. Okay? Yes. Let us read that, children. Male nouns. These are the names for boys, men and male animals. Yes. What is that? Yes. So, male nouns are, what are male nouns, children? The names for boys, men and male animals. And male animals means boy animals. Okay. Okay. Examples. What are the examples? Tell me. Brother, uncle, then father, grandfather. Many you can give the examples. Yes, children? Yes. King, lion. Yes. Lion also animal. It is a male animal, lion. Yes. Then you can say prince, P-R-I-N-C-E, prince also. Prince is a king. Okay. King's son. King's son. Next king is going to become. So he is called as prince. Okay. Then next female nouns. What are female nouns? The names for girls, then women and female animals. Okay. We are giving the names for the girls, women and female animals, right? That are all comes under the female noun. Okay. Example. You can tell many examples, children. Tell me. Sister, aunt, mother, grandmother. Yes, grandmother. Then queen. Then tell me. Lioness. Yes, lioness. Lion is a boy and lioness is a girl. Okay. Then prince. Then what you will give for prince? Princess. Okay. Princess. Okay. This all comes under the female noun. This all comes under the male noun. Remember, children, the names for the boys, men and female animals are called as male nouns. Okay. Example, brother, uncle, father, grandfather, king, lion, prince. Yes, children. Then what is the female noun? The names for the girls, women and female animals are called as female nouns. Okay. Example, sister, aunt, mother, grandmother, queen, lioness, princess. Okay. Sorry, aunt is spelling A-U-N-T. Okay, children? Yes. Then next what we have, male nouns are also called as masculine gender. Yes, male nouns also are called as what? Masculine genders. I already taught you masculine gender, feminine gender. Yes, children? Yes. The male nouns will come under the masculine gender. We can call it as masculine gender also. Okay. Then female nouns will come under the feminine gender. Okay. Feminine gender. Okay. Yes, children, can you able to see it? Yes, feminine gender. Right here, children. Yes. See, feminine gender. It comes under the feminine gender. Okay, female nouns. Are you understanding? Yes. Okay. It is visible, children? Yes. Then male noun also called as masculine gender. Female nouns also called as feminine gender. Yes? Yes. Hope you are understanding this. Yes. Then examples also they have given in your textbook. See page number 5. I will read it. Listen carefully, children. Male nouns are son. Then son opposite female nouns are daughter. Then male nouns are man. Then female nouns are woman. Okay. Then male nouns, peacock. Then female nouns are peahen. Okay. Then cock, male noun is cock. Then female noun is hen. Okay. Like a opposite genders. Okay. Yes. Then male nouns, grandfather. You can say for a grandfather. He is a male, right? Yes. Then for female noun, what do you say? Grandmother. Grandfather, grandmother. Nephew, niece. Okay. Tiger, tigress. Bull, cow. Bull, cow. Bull have what? It is having a big horn and it is having a back side like this, right? Have you seen? Yes, that is bull. Okay. Cow, which gives us milk. You have already saw that. Yes, yes, that is cow. Yes, children. And then turn the page. Yes. See, children, you have this exercise. You have to do it homework. Okay. See exercise 3.2. Now only in your book write down here homework. Okay. See, fill in the blanks with M for male nouns and F for female nouns. One is done for you. Can you see the picture? What is this? Lion, right? Lion, king of the forest. So what you will do? Lion is a male, right? Boy. Lion will be the boy. So you have to write M because male. Okay, male noun. So you have to write M. Then daughter. Daughter. This is a daughter. Daughter is a female noun, right? Then F. Then king. King is a man only. Yes, he is a boy. Male. Yes, write M. Then tigress. Tigress is a male or female? Tigress is male or female, children? It is female. Okay. Tiger means male. Tigress means female. Then you have to write F here. Okay. Because it is female noun. Then hen. Hen is also female noun only. Okay. Rooster, cock. This comes under the male. Okay. But hen is female. Right? F. Then nephew. Nephew means a boy. Yes. So we have to write what? M here. Because he is a male. Right? By seeing the picture itself you can identify whether he is a male or female. Right? Then write down M here. Okay. Then next exercise 3.3. Fill in the blanks with the correct male and female nouns. One is done for you. Yes, here they have done already. Brother, sister, already they have written. Okay. Now peacock. What is a female noun? Tell me for peacock what is a female noun? Peahen. Write down Peahen. Peahen. Okay. Visible, children? Yes. Then write it fastly. Yes. Here they have already given female noun. That is grandmother. Then what is the male noun? Grandmother. That means grandfather. Yes. Write down grandfather. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. F-A-T-H-E-R. Grandfather. Bull. Just now we learnt, right? Bull. Bull is a male noun. What is the female noun for bull? Cow. C-O-W. Okay. Then actress. Female noun they have given here. Actress means a female, a woman. Okay. But male. What is the opposite for actress in male? Actor. Yes. Right. Actor. Right. A-C-T-O-R. Actor. Okay. Then princess. Then what will be the male noun? Prince. Okay. Right. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. Okay. Yes. Complete it, children. This is classwork. You have to complete now only. This is classwork. This is homework. Okay. Yes. Then turn the page. Next what we have, read the passage and complete the table. One is done for you. Yes, see children, I will read the passage. Listen carefully. Once there lived a little girl named Luca. She asked her father, Dan, okay, if she could visit her grandmother. Yes, you can, her father said. Be careful and take your sister with you. Yes, what they are telling here. Once there lived a little girl, her name is Luca, and she asked her father, what is her father name? Dan. Okay. if she could visit her grandmother, she want to visit her grandfather, sorry, she wanted to visit her grandfather. Then what the father told? Yes, you can, like that the father said. Then he said, be careful and take your sister with you. Yes, be careful, he said, and he told her to take her sister also along with her. Yes, now we should separate proper nouns and common nouns. Okay, in male gender and female gender. Okay, let us see how we will do that. Here, proper nouns and common nouns. Here you have to write proper noun, here you should write common noun. Then you should see whether that is male or female, because they have given male and female gender also here. Okay. See, proper noun. Once there lived a little girl named Luca. Yes, Luca is a name of a girl. So write down Luca. I already written. See children, can you see it? Yes, already written. You also write down Luca. Luca is a proper name. Correct? We have given a girl a name. That is Luca. Okay, write down. Then she asked her father Dan. What is her father name? Here just father they did not say. They have mentioned the name also. They have given a name for the father. What is that? Dan. So that you should write D-A-N, Dan. Okay. Then in common noun what else will come? Tell me. Already girl they have written here. See. Already they have done. Girl. Yes. Then one more common noun is what? Father. Yes, father you can write, because father is a male. Okay, Dan is a male name. It is a boy name. So you have to write it in the male only. Okay, male boxes only you have to write. Then in female box, girl Luca. Yes, girl Luca. Yes, children? Yes. Are you understanding? Yes, do it now itself. Then next, writing. Yes, exercise 4.1. The given sentence are all mixed up. Rewrite them in the correct order. Remember that each sentence should begin with a capital letter and should end with a full stop. One is done for you. Yes. What you have to do? You have to read the sentence which is mixed up. So what you should do? Again you should rewrite that. Okay, in correct order. And you should remember that first always you should start with capital letter only. And when you are ending you have to give a full stop. Okay, see here, early Diwali, up on be wake. Anything sentence is there? It is not a correct sentence, right? Then what you will write? We wake up early on Diwali. Okay, this becomes a proper sentence, right? Yes, so starting you have to write with a capital letter. Ending, see they have given full stop also. Okay, then second one. So I will write it on the board, children. You can copy down. Yes. So, I will rub it and write on the board. So, second one is, I will be writing only answers, children. Only answers I will write. Question already is in the workbook only. Okay, you will write answer here. Yes, you will write answer here. Okay. Yes. I to the market to go flowers buy. But how you will write the correct order? I go to the market. I go to the market. Market to buy what, children? Flowers. Yes. Yes. Okay, like this you have to write the correct sentence. See, I have started with a capital letter and ended with full stop. Can you see? Yes. Then next, third answer. What is that? Flowers we house with decorate our. Okay. How you will write? We decorate, capital letter. Okay. We decorate our house with flowers. Okay. Yes, like this you have to write. See, we decorate our house with flowers. Capital letter and ending with full stop. Okay. Then next, Turn the page. Copy down soon, children. First you should copy. Then next fourth one answer. Yes. Clothes everyone new wears. Is this correct sentence? No, right? Then we will write it in correct way. Okay. Everyone wears. Everyone wears new clothes. Okay. New clothes. This becomes a proper sentence. Always don't forget you have to start with capital letter. After ending the sentence you should put full stop. Okay. Then next fifth one. What is fifth one question? We candles and light diyas evening in the. So we will write it in correct order. Okay. We light candles. We light candles and diyas in the evening. In the evening. Yes, children? Yes. Complete it, children. Neatly see capital letter ending with the full stop. Okay? Yes, please copy down fastly. Yes? Copied it. You have to watch the video and complete it. Okay? This I have written only answers. You have to complete it in the page number 7 and 8. Okay, dear? Yes. Then next we have naming parts and action parts of sentence. Okay, here we have naming part, action part. A sentence has two parts. Sentence will be having two parts. Okay, that is naming part and action part. Okay, yes. The naming part tells us who or what the sentence is about. Yes. Sorry, children. The naming part will tell us what and who the sentence is about. Okay. Example you can see here. Here we can't tell the example because there is no naming word in this. Okay. We don't have any naming words. That is a person or something. We don't have, right? But we have here flowers, right? See where these flowers we have right here. So we decorate our house with flowers. The flowers is a naming word, right? Yes. We are giving a flower and we are telling it as a naming word. Flower is a thing, right? It comes under the naming words. Flower is a thing. Then action part will tell us the naming part does. What action part will tell us? Something we are doing action in that sentence. Something we are doing action is called action part. Okay. Example, he is playing in the garden. He is playing in the garden. Playing is something action. Already you know action words, right, children? Yes. Playing, sitting, drinking, walking, laughing, singing, jumping. Everything comes under the action word. Yes? Yes. Now we have exercise 4.2. This is your homework, children. Please note down. Page number 8. This is your homework. Exercise 4.2. Circle the naming part and underline the action part. One is done for you. The dog barked at the girl. Okay. See, dog and girl. The dog is a naming word. Correct? Naming word. So that you should circle. Naming part. Then barked at the girl. Barked at the girl means it is an action. Barking. Yes, the dog is bow. It is making a sound. That is called as barked. Okay. Barked at the girl. That comes under the action part. So you should underline. Okay. Already they have done. Just I explained you. Then next you have to do. The two girls are singing a song. The two girls are singing a song. The two girls. Here it comes naming part, right? Then that you should circle. Okay. Then are singing a song, you should underline. Then my father is cooking dinner in the kitchen. My father. Okay, till here only it is naming part. So you have to circle. Okay. Then is cooking dinner in the kitchen. That you should underline. Yes, because it comes under the action part. Because cooking is an action, right? Yes, that's right. Okay. Then fourth one. Woodpeckers make holes in trees. This is a woodpecker bird. It makes holes in the trees, right? Yes. So woodpecker is the name of the bird. So you should circle. It comes under the naming part. Then makes hole in trees. Makes holes in trees comes under the action part. It is making. Yes, makes. It comes under the action part, right? So underline. Then the cat run after the mouse. The cat run after the mouse. The cat is a naming part that you should circle. Ran after the mouse is the action part. Ran after the mouse. So that you should underline. Okay, this is your homework exercise 4.2 homework. Then exercise 3.2 is homework page number 6. Yes children, this is your homework. Hope you are understanding. Yes children? Yes? Yes. Then complete the homework and complete the classwork also. Please children, today's homework today only you should complete and send it in the group. Okay? Okay. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.